got here? Ordered me a fresh bumper 2 days ago. It already showed up. Get stuff shipped to my dad's house because there's somebody's always here, and he's got a tractor around here somewhere. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing loaded up on a grandma's truck, and this bumper is for the old cowboy truck, the short bed 24 valve. So let's go see if we can find a tractor over here fired up. Opportunity to drive a tractor without a roof is upon us. Here's that this thing was running within the last hour because she fired right up. These particular forks are tricky because they don't normally match up to standard pallet, but well, that seems to be sketchy. Let's nurse it over here and put it on the old truck. I'll show you what the bumper is so you get a taste of it before I unwrap it. Hope this pallet stays together. I got grandma's truck today. Old, I guess trusty. It has proven to have been expensive second gen. And I got the same bumper on grandma's truck as we're loading in the back of it. Oh, just like that. Spin a little bit. The rain helped because there's no traction. Perhaps should do it. Over the top. Stay in there. Yay. Just caught the weather, or gave us a break. Downpouring, just a light drizzle. There we go. We'll keep an eye on that. That should be good though. Here is a Trail FX bumper. I like to run bumpers on all my trucks because there's a lot of deer, maybe cows out on the road around here, and God forbid, hit a cow, but I mean if you hit a deer, got to run itself a little bumper right here. These are Trail FX bumpers. I trust them to handle a deer. They're very affordable, and I order them through Black Patch Performance. They are $900, free shipping. Plus, use my discount code VBELT, you save an extra $50. So $850 shipped to your door. They make them for, I know second gens. This will be my second one. Third gen, fourth gen, and you have to check out their website, Black Patch Performance. Check them out. I'll put a link in the description below. But let's get back down to the shop and install this new bumper. I tend to have bumpers on everything because I like to win against deer. Oh, a little tight right there. That'll work. Seems like a nice day to work outside, but yeah, you got a shot. Give it the old what for here. So, got a broken pallet. Oh man, that was graceful if I ever seen it. Roll back out of here, drive over something. That was great. Oh yeah. 24 valve, they fire up like a first gen. Not quite as good, but close enough. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up so we can just get that done with, because these plastic, they are. That's nice. Let's get the serrated one out. Let's see how that flavor takes it on. Perfect. Look at that. 2 layers of stuff on it, and then cardboard, and then another layer. Oh. When you're opening stuff like this, make sure you keep your knife in your hand and throw it around. They go through the effort. Ah, I put it in here. Backwards. What do we got here? What are we working on? It's been a minute since I took an old stalker. Oh, looky here. Easy access. Okay. Got a little casualty with my hand. Got a little slicey dicey action. I put some old mittens on it. Let's get this bumper off now, shall we? That's. Oh, so got one more piece of hardware over there. Had to put a pair of vice grips on that side. That's how much she was fighting me. Come on, man. We still got a nut. No nut. was cockeyed. Got us in a jam. I need to take my license plate off too. What the hell? I gotta do that. Good thing they've already self-deleted a little bit. They weren't even. What? Oh, brackets. I forgot about these bad boys. Okay. There we go. There's chinksies, these bumpers are. They certainly got enough garbage holding them on. Alright, now here's the point in the game where you either phone a friend or you just phone a doctor when you're done. Spin her around. Any of you commercial guys that run heavy or run non-CDL and are worried about running too heavy, obviously these bumpers weigh more than stock does, so you got to consider that. But this one, I got some really heavy bumpers. I got aluminum bumper. Yeah, I don't mind the weight of these ones. They are just right. Even came with some rubbers to protect your, you know. Oh, you look at that thing's in the way. One thing. There you go, get out of the way. Whew. Just like that. It's hard to find a bumper that is resemblance of factory, but I do not mind these bumpers. I like this shelf right here if you're working on your truck, because to be honest, it's going to happen. You got a nice workbench. See, if I would have had this bumper on here from the beginning, I could put my tools somewhere where it made sense, not on the ground. And boy, I have a lot of packing material that came with this. Well, let's explore the hardware bag that comes with it. Item number 2200466303. Heavy duty tape. They come with a lot of stuff. I don't think I'm going to use any of that. That is way too much for a second gen. It came with some little stuff. By the way, fellas, this does come with a spot to put running lights, which I will install. So we already know what flavor hardware comes with it from factory. They come with tabs right here. So what do you say we just go ahead and reuse these? I'm going to be ordering some better headlights, because if I daily this thing, winter's here, going to be driving in the dark because it's pretty much dark all the time. But need some better headlights. Close the hood so you can adjust the bumper so it matches it. Where you at? No. I think that's about what that side's gonna write. Below, if you guys think I should leave this thing reverse leveled or put the stock blocks back in the back end, because it almost looks like a two-wheel drive, but it's not bad when it's empty. If it was, oh, come on, socket. But when it's loaded, it looks heavily squatted. Gotta figure out what the problem here is. Well, let's check her out now. She's all installed. That took all of about 15 minutes. Once I got rolling. Let's say it took 30 minutes. That's a pretty quick install for a bumper. I think we did all right on her, making her look good, lining her up. Oh, like, oh man, that's about a quarter inch right there. Perfect. Pretty sure that can handle a deer. That'll save the truck out right there. what I'm going to do for the fog lights. Okay, it's got these nice slits I cut in it. They got hardware in there. I don't know what the part number is for the lights that they built that hardware for, but I did notice underneath right here, got a little plug-in. The little plug-in is the same one that I use for putting the running lights in the bumper for Grandma's truck. I just got to get a different switch. Probably install a relay underneath the fuse barn thing there. So I'm gonna let that run a little bit. We'll see if I need to adjust anything, but need to come back here, ask you guys another opinion. Ken, the guy I bought this truck from, little cowboy, he put this stuff on here and it's starting to flake off. I'm gonna go ahead and buzz that off with a pressure washer best I can. I started popping some off with my pocket knife, but I don't mind it being on there. I don't mind having that extra protection on the running boards down there, but rockers, whatever. I don't know if I want to put it back on there, but I want to take that stuff off. Might repaint this truck this winter if I get ambitious. So we're going to back her outside, pressure washer off. That feels good having a bumper on everything now. This second Trail FX bumper, pretty happy with it. I hit her with a pressure washer technique and it worked pretty good back there. As soon as I started filming up here, none of it came off. So it was just me pressure washing nothing. So that's useless footage. Then I was going to spice it up a little bit and decide I was going to run over some trash cans or something with this new bumper. But then I remembered I got a brand new windshield up there, so I don't want to risk it. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like this truck. Let's keep it the way it is, minus this stuff down on the bottom. That'll hopefully fall off as time goes on. The pressure washer sped that process up. Oh, I left my vice grips down there. Better snag those, holding that bolt that sliced my hand. But why I still have this truck? Why I didn't sell this thing? I actually don't need to sell it. I don't need to keep it. It's still a nice truck, but I didn't really have need for it. But since I had so many people seek interest in the truck and offered reasonable prices for what I was asking for the truck, and I accepted quite a few offers for what I was, asking for it. Their offer wasn't too far off from it, so I was like, that'll work. Or trade offers. Bottom line is, nobody showed up. I was trying to, I'm not gonna say I'm trade it for a Ford, but I was trying to trade it for a Ford, trying to spice it up a little bit on this channel so I could get something else to beat on. And I wouldn't mind a bulletproof 6-liter just to see what the heck all that hype is about, because apparently if you bulletproof one of those things, they turn into an animal. And same thing with like a later model 7.3. I was definitely kind of trying to pursue one of those, but nobody wanted to show up. So I don't know about you guys, but if I try to make an offer and they go through with it, I'm there to get it, because that was what my terms were and they accepted them, so I should go get that. Or if I'm trying to sell something, I answer the phone when somebody calls. I don't know what the deal is right now, but the market's really weird for pricing, and it's really weird for people not wanting to answer their freaking phones. I don't get that. But I said if I was going to keep this truck, I'm going to go through it and do the things I want to, such as put 17s on it. Don't like 16s at all. Plus I had these lying around. Good meats on them, and they're the aluminum rims. So these are nice setup, and the truck runs surprisingly smoother with these ones on it. Get myself a heavy duty bumper on it. Check out the link below for that discount code again. And I wanted to put a FASS on it with a fuel pressure gauge. So I got the FASS 95 on the back, because if you know 24 valve trucks, got the gauge right there. If you lose lift pump pressure, VP44 injection pump tries to make up for the last PSI and fuel pressure, and it'll eventually just eat itself to death and ruin your injection pump as well. So not only are you out of lift pump, you'll be out of injection pump as well. So I didn't want to fall into that category, so I went ahead and knocked that out right now. So for now, probably gonna paint this truck this winter if I get a spare minute. Simple white paint job. I don't have to do any body work to it, and it's a good truck. I got no complaints with it. Let's go ahead and get that vice grip before I forget. There we go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you got any solutions for removing that crap down there on the bottom. If there's a tool that you know of, grinding a wheel that's not going to hurt the steel or whatever, put a link down there. Comment those. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later on. Subscribe.
Again, got to thank Black Patch Performance for the awesome Cow Pusher 9000 Trail FX Super Bumper. That's a street name for it. Just Trail FX bumper. These are stout bumpers. I stand behind them. I like them a lot. And also the tires and wheels that are in Grandma's truck. Ordered those from Black Patch Performance as well. One quick note that I do want to spice up a little bit. Give me a recommendation for a little mild tuner to go on a VP44 truck. They don't sell that at Black Patch Performance, I don't think. If they did, I would have had it on here already. But they make your truck look good. Got that covered. Now we got to get the performance knocked out. Check out the link below. Hit that discount code. Get yourself a new bumper. See you guys in the next one. Later.